Hello everybody, got a video here on this John Deere L100. It's got a key switch in it that we're going to pretend is bad. I've been asked to do a video on how to change these out, so it's pretty simple, but we'll go ahead and make one here and help out whoever needs it. So first of all, you got your key switch there. And sorry about the camera work here where I'm doing this by myself. But the key switch right there, we'll go ahead and move the lever up out of the way. That way it engages the deck. We'll go ahead and pull the key switch out of it. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but right back here is where the key switch is, and you'll need to undo this wiring harness here. It just pulls down, and you'll have that there wire harness. And there will be two tabs. See if we can get it here. But there will be one on each side like this, and they just push in. So when you grab it, kind of grab it like this and squeeze them together and push it up out of it. We'll go ahead and do this one and get it out of there. And it just pulls up out of there like that. And put it back in. On some of them, you should be able to get the wiring harness pushed up out of there enough that you can plug it in before you get it down in there. Makes it easier. That way you're not fighting around trying to get it to plug into all those little terminals. So you take your new one and you would just stick it back in there. These just push together, and make sure you got it plugged in good there. And you'll have them little tabs that I was showing you on the sides here. There'll be slots cut out in your dashboard part where they go, and just push it back down in there until it snaps into place. And that's all there is to changing out a key switch. A lot of these are pretty much the same. Some of them you can't get to as easy as this one is, but they're pretty simple. There's another style where they have a nut on them that holds them in, and I'll make a video later on down the road on that. But pretty basic, so don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, comment, hit the notification button, and don't forget to buy some of my merchandise down below. I got t-shirts and stuff down there. I think some coffee mugs and a bunch of other stuff. So don't forget to check that out, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.